Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'm guiding you guys on how to make this simple 3D block. Let's get started. Let's work with the right plane. So let's mirror this. About this construction line here. So let's extrude. Extrude 40. Mid-plane condition. Let's mirror this. Mirror about this line here. So let's extrude thickness of 10. So let's sketch on this face. Diameter of 16. Let's extrude cut through it. Oh, extruded cut. So have this cut. So let's sketch on this face using a center rectangle. 14 by 24. I'll simply click here, hold down my control at this point, make it vertical. I'll click and hold my control here, make it collinear. Now features extruded cut through all both, and we're having this. Now let's change the appearance. So having this. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.